Take up a hobby. Have you got a hobby? Would you like to try something new? Paint wars. People run in the woods with special guns, masks and gloves. One boy thinks he's safe. Suddenly, some colourful paint hits him. No, he isn't in an action movie. He's a tournament paintballer. So, what is paintballing exactly? Well, it's a type of fantasy game. It takes place in large spaces, such as a big field, a big empty building, or the woods. The players are given roles. One day you could be a spy, and the next you're in a Tomb Raider adventure. Teamwork is very important to win in paintballing. You have to think of a plan to win. The plan is usually to shoot your enemy with balls of paint. If a player is shot, he is out of the game. Some games last a couple of hours, but others can last for days. There are a lot of other hobbies out there. What do you like to do most in your free time?